Now let me get into the specifics of some additional successful engagements related to SharePoint services. So this client we're looking at here is a leading office manufacturer, actually the second largest of its kind in the world. The company required a comprehensive redesign of its original site and change of platform as well. The major requirement was to redesign as well as develop master templates to implement the web parts. So, Sajid, could you tell us a little bit about this?
Sure. I think in this case, Indusa built customized web parts for implementing the master templates, which were based on wireframes. Customized web parts for product gallery, recommendation, and events were also created. As part of the solution, we also worked on providing a complete interactive experience with a very decent user interface for product navigation. The site also featured integration with Fast Search, Omniture, and Scene 7 along with the client's own portal. Social media add-ins were used for rankings and ratings from users too. Indusa also performed web analytics to track web traffic to the site, and the content was also provided to them. This solution actually provided multifold benefits to the client. A, the client benefited immensely due to the reusable web parts and the great UI, which promoted better interactivity for the users. B, in addition to a user-friendly and appealing interface, the site also provided a centralized data repository with access to data from third-party apps and also from its own portal. The search results were driven much faster with the integration of Fast Search on the site. This screenshot, in the screenshot number 1, that gives you a glimpse of the user interface Indusa used for the product listing web page for the SharePoint site. And the second one next to it includes related furniture products that are recommended to the user.
For the next case study, the client for this project is a well-known non-profit system comprising of 13 hospitals and a medical group consisting of thousands of physicians in 360 different locations. The client wanted a better site than the one that existed. Additionally, there was a complete lack of user-driven and interactive features within the site for seamless browsing. So share with us a little bit about what SharePoint was able to do for them.
Oh, sure, Dan. I remember this one. Indusa, in this case, modified various components in the client site master page for MOS 2007 and SharePoint 2010 as well. Just like the previous engagement with the office equipment manufacturer client, we implemented several master page web parts and customized the overall search functionality with the help of Fast Search. The user interface of the inner pages was transformed completely. We conducted usability testing of different components with different users having various access rights. A number of user controls were also created for MOS 2007 and SharePoint 2010, which included the marquee and the media library. Now here, if you can see the screenshot of the site design, which has several links in the left panel. Several master page web parts were implemented in the site along with the enterprise search features as well.
Okay, so the next client, who's a leading cosmetics and skincare brand, required a comprehensive communication and collaboration platform, which has an appealing user interface, along with organized event scheduling and management. Now, tell us a little bit about what Indusa did for them.
In this case, Indusa provided this complete solution by building a master group site and individual workstream sites for the company and its subsidiaries as well. As part of the solution that we worked on, several web parts such as a scrolling image and video gallery were developed. Announcements, document library, as well as customized web parts for calendar events and survey were done. Each workstream was allowed to add, remove web parts as required. Specific business rules were built into the solution which related to presentation, sequence, permissions, and design attributes. In this case, Indusa's solution provided, again, multifold benefits to this client as well. These included 40% faster communication and collaboration between the company and its subsidiaries. In addition to a user-friendly and appealing interface, several usability issues were also handled through the solution. 37% faster site creation was facilitated through ready-made templates. One-step creation of sites and sub-sites using this template for a similar look and feel allowed the data to be very easily edited. As you can see in the screenshots, one can imagine one can manage work streams, events, announcements, participate in discussions and surveys. Users can also view the full media gallery, which is a web part built by Indusa. The second screen here shows the ease with which one can relate to the brand due to the impressive user interface containing vibrant colors and social media links as well on the SharePoint site.
That's impressive. So let's look at the next client here. For this project, they faced several challenges in facilitating online examinations for its students. They had a lack of communication between the exam centers and the online solution added to the woes. Cross-country students, faculties, and mentors needed an online portal for collaboration. So how did Indusa use SharePoint in order to solve this problem?
In this case, Indusa implemented SharePoint as a portal solution for distance learning examinations. Several user groups were configured, including the administrator, the students, the exam conducting centers, and the faculty. Multiple modules were integrated, including the login page functionalities, Google Map integration, as well as user management. The highly secure SharePoint portal facilitated a systematic user access management system with relevant permissions and restrictions. To sum it up, one can create different portal features through SharePoint, which includes user profiles, enterprise-wide search, shared services, business data catalog, etc. Screen 1 here displays a list of exams and various attributes associated with it, like start, end date of the exam, the time, the course the exam belongs to, and the faculty responsible, etc. The left panel displays lists of tasks the administrator can perform. And screen 2 here is an admin screen for viewing the course-wise faculty. And screen 3 allows for faculty or admin to create mentors for the respective courses that they have. Now, Dan, can you share a few more details about an execution approach or the methodology that customers should explore for such initiatives?
Certainly. Indusa delivers SharePoint business strategy, roadmaps, and enterprise life cycles for clients worldwide. We adhere to a proven methodology which is relevant to one and all. Whether new to SharePoint or in need of a SharePoint strategic thinking, Indusa delivers an enterprise business-focused lifestyle quickly. We know exactly how to plan for SharePoint, eliminating unnecessary efforts. On a strategic level, we create and deliver business case strategies, ROI, TCO analysis for SharePoint implementations, and project charters to chalk out a definite plan of implementation. First and foremost, during the requirements gathering phase, proven concepts and methods for gathering requirements in SharePoint projects are used. We provide reference architecture, reference implementations, and tools for faster development of prototypes. We also define appropriate coding standards, implementation guidelines, and naming conventions. During the development phase, we provide fast development of SharePoint code with code generation templates, code snippets, Visual Studio integration, and tools. We provide project templates, which are optimized for automated build processes. We also allow the setup of continuous integration in SharePoint projects. Additionally, we provide easy creation of testable SharePoint solutions, such as project templates, reference implementations. We provide rules to measure SharePoint code quality and run SharePoint code reviews. The company also provides tools for automated analysis of SharePoint code, calculation of SharePoint code metrics, and analysis of dependencies in SharePoint code. We provide reusable templates for typical deployment tasks, such as deploy solutions and active features. Our SharePoint maintenance and support services are based on mutually drawn out service level agreements. We offer 24/7 on-demand services for upgrades, migration, and enhancements. In the rollout phase, we provide training and conduct knowledge sharing sessions with our clients once the site is live. Our SharePoint implementation methodology is beneficial for end clients, developers, and architects. SharePoint architects will greatly benefit from the standardization and fast results. Our services can also ensure improved developer productivity while there is quality and transparency in what we do. At a creative level, we at Indusa attach utmost importance to user experience and brand awareness metrics while creating templates and designing your websites to ensure consistent messaging across all internet advertising and promotion outlets. At design level, Indusa's role has encompassed search engine, social media, and email marketing, web analytics, and blogs and articles. Our architectural design covers developmental of RIAs as well. We have created a lot of RIAs that include an efficient, high-performance runtime for executing code, content, and communications. Our development level includes experience in defining your business objectives, developing workflows, and web parts as part of the solution to achieve the business objectives. We have built several custom web parts for different industries. Additionally, we have integrated the best-of-breed marketing and advertising technologies for complete optimization of your business and SharePoint's incredible products. Mobile compatibility, which is also being adopted by many businesses today, has been successfully integrated with SharePoint in many of our implementations. Our methods are based on over a decade of experience, partner insight, and expertise in digital marketing alone, and SharePoint implementation services. So in summary, the flexibility provided by the Microsoft Digital Marketing Platform and Indusa's incredible digital marketing experience and SharePoint implementation experience allows you to start small and grow over time, plugging in components as needed, customizing your SharePoint-based website with components as you require functionality. Address the basics out of the box with SharePoint for internet sites and fast search, and leverage our value proposition as you innovate and grow your digital marketing presence.